Hey, what's up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor and this is Dylan's DIY Workshop. And today I figured I'd make a video about how to make one of those oddly satisfying. And the one that I've been sent almost, 25 times in the past day and a half by one of my friends is with a bar of soap. The bar of soap has a bunch of lines cut in it and then they slice off pieces and just flakes fall everywhere. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's fairly straightforward and I kind of almost want to just do it myself just to try it. Let's head over here and do it. So we got ourselves just a simple bar of soap here, and the knife that I see them use the most is one that takes these breakaway blades. That way you can get a super long, razor sharp and thin curved blade. I don't actually have a handle for one of those that I can actually use. So what I'm going to do to cut the lines is just use this regular box cutter with one of these little trapezoid shaped blades. That's what we're going to use. Okay, so right away I'm just going to cut lines straight up and down and then 90 degrees to that. It's really simple. Make it like grid paper. I'll start by doing these lines. You just want to make sure that you don't cut all the way through. This might be a bad bar, so here. I'm going to use one of these blades instead because they are thinner. They're much thinner. Now, I want to stop and mention that I've never actually done this before. This is just kind of what I'm guessing needs to happen. It seems to be working better by rocking it back and forth and then kind of pushing everything back into where it's supposed to be. I might even use a little bit of water here. Yeah, I'm going to use a little bit of water and try to push this bar of soap back together. Yeah, okay, that seems to be working. Almost like a vice, but not really, because it's soap. I don't know what you'd hold soap with. Ow. Okay, not the right thing to do. Like, if you're gonna use one of these blades, make sure it's in a handle, because I just cut myself. That was actually stupid. So, be careful around knives. Don't use a blade like that. Don't squeeze on both sides of a metal blade. Fuck. Okay, bandaged up, we're good. Not gonna pinch both sides of the blade this time. I'm just gonna be careful. Alright, vice grips, but these are like a special, fancy, expensive kind. This is gonna be our new bar of soap, which means we just need to shape the edges over and make it smaller. When I did this like in my head, it was gonna be so easy. But this isn't easy at all. Maybe you just gotta be delicate with it. Yeah, it seems to be working. Gentle. They must take forever to prep these stupid things. Yeah, because look at that, that's so friggin' hard. You know what? More respect to the people that are actually doing this, because I don't know, I can't. Yeah, you just gotta hold the stuff down. Like you're working with delicate crap here. This is soap for crying out loud. Okay, so somehow our bar of soap ended up being this big. We ended up losing that. We ended up losing that because I'm not good at this. But we do have this much of the bar of soap left. And I hope this is going to work. Just going to, wet this all down. Try to get it all to look like one bar of soap again. You know how bars of soap look? All soapy bar and stuff. Here comes somewhat the moment of truth. We're going to find out whether or not this is actually going to work. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this camera up nice. I'm going to wait for this to dry so I can actually hold it in my hand without it slipping everywhere. Hopefully we have a good video. If not, this is a fail. And if it's a fail, that sucks. Alright, here we go. Attempt number 1 and probably the only attempt. Yeah, I think I have the wrong soap here. Well, one injury and some really soapy, slimy hands. So I guess that, my friends, is how you make a very slimy mess of your hands, your camera, and your desk. ruin a bar of soap, cut your finger, and still be no further ahead, except for you know not to do all those things again. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I feel like there's at least a couple lessons in there, not to use a blade like that. That gotta be more careful. Guys, let me know if you want me to keep trying at this. I figure I can probably find out how to do it, maybe get a couple more bars of soap, proper handle for that knife. Let me know if you want to see that. If not, if you don't care, just don't let me know that you want to see it. That makes sense. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time, which would be for this channel every Tuesday and Friday, and for my vlog channel every single day. Catch you guys later. Peace out. Bye.